What is up, guys? Danny this side. So today I've got a Zendesk tutorial for absolute beginners, and this is a step-by-step guide to your first Zendesk website experience. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar type in Zendesk, and then you will see the official website of Zendesk. Click on this website. So after clicking, you will see here are multiple options on the dashboard of Zendesk, like this is the Zendesk AI, and the Zendesk AI includes AI agents, their own Zendesk AI, AI research, and many more. Here are the products. The products include AI agents, AI and automation, messaging and live chat, help center, quality assurance, personal management, and as you can see here, and here are the solutions for businesses like large companies, small business, and the startups. Here are the branches like the retail, production software, healthcare, education, government telecommunication, and here are the information sources that you can read from. Here are the prices of the Zendesk plans. The different plans are the support team, the suite professional, and the suite enterprise. Here are the plans that you can purchase from if you like the Zendesk software. Now let's get back to the dashboard. And from here, you just enter your business email address and click on try it for free. Remember, guys, they offer a 14-day free trial, and after that, you have to buy a plan from Zendesk and then you can use Zendesk. So now I'll just simply type in my business email address. For signing in with your account, you have to create a new password. And then you will be directly welcome to the Zendesk AI. Now, to verify your email address, you can open your Gmail, your Yahoo, your Apple Mail, or your Outlook. I'll just simply open my Gmail and verify my Gmail. Now, after that, it will ask you to do a to fill a sample ticket. You can fill your sample ticket like this. And from here, here's the customer message, like from the Zendesk team. And you can add your reply, like you are the client and you want to add the reply. And after that, you can go to your home page. So this is the home page of Zendesk. Now, from here, as you can see, here are some of the tools, and here on the left side, there are some of the tools. And here is the views tools to view all your recent activities, your recent tickets, and every activity that you want to manage. And now here, this is the customers icon. Here you can see all your recent customers, your previous customers, your current customers. You can see all of the customers and you can even suspend some of the customers if they are not following the rules. And after that, you have the icon of organizations. Here you can see you can create your own multiple organizations. I have created a demo organization, and from here you can see all your reports, like your current reports or the tasks that you have given to the employees. They can upload the report here, and then you can report and analyze the data according to your requirements. Then here is the settings icon. From here, you can update the systems and then you can use some of these functions. And now from here, here are the applications. It is telling me to link in my email. I will just set it later. Now, this is the app section. Now, from here, you have knowledge, AI agents, chat, speech analysis, personal management, quality assurance, community, sales, and management center. Now, in the management center, this is typically your only setting that I showed you just now. You can manage everything from here. Here, this is the sales icon. Now, from here, you can control your sales. You can just control and manage your sales like current products, the ad campaigns that you want to run, and multiple things. Then here is the community, like the community that you have built, or you want to build a new community, you can build it from here. Now, after that, here is the quality assurance. From here, you can do your quality assurance of your digital product or your service or your physical product. And here is the personal management. This is the analysis. In the analysis, you can see all the analysis of your services and products. It will give you a detailed analytical report. Here is the speech to get all the employees on a live call, and here is the chat option to chat with the employees or from the whole group. And here are the AI agents. Now, when you click on the AI agents, you will see the multiple integrated AIs of Zendesk. As you can see here, these are the AI agents. The AI agents are for messages, for email and web form, and the AI agents here, these are the advanced AI agents. Now, for messages, what they mean by messages is when you set AI agents for messages, they will automate your messages. Like you don't want to manually see, reply, and then shut up the messages. AI will do it for you. And for email and web form, you can automate these two tasks too. Now, to get the AI agents advanced, you need to pay a bit premium, and then you will be able to access the AI agents advanced. And here are the workspaces, like the workspace you want to add, or here are some pre-built workspaces, and here are the objects and rules, and here are the apps and integrations, like you want to integrate any app, any API, or you want to add any integrations, you want to connect some external connections, you can do that too. So that was all for this video, everyone. This was the beginner friendly tutorial for Zendesk. Thank you everyone for watching.